wants to steal her PR game?
Alia Bhatt.
Priyanka and Nick both actually.
Yeah.
Nick's PR, like
He's
especially
the
with
social media
the
manager.
Indian
With the Desi
Jiju.
one.
Yeah, that.
Lazy ones. And the reels is top notch.
Top.
I don't think anyone has ever guessed or predicted that I would be a Femina Miss India girl.
Really?
Yeah.
No one said that?
No one.
When was the instant love offer you rejected? Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today I am in conversation with the winners of Femina Miss India 2026, Adwaita Sadhvi and Raj Nandini. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
First of all, congratulations and you three are looking absolutely stunning.
So are you.
Thank you. सब लोग कहते हैं कि सक्सेस मिली है लेकिन कैसे मिली है ये तो सिर्फ आप तीनों को ही पता है. सो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली आस्क यू, यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए क्या क्या सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ा? एट व्हाट पॉइंट यू फेल्ट लाइक ओ माय गॉड कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, एंड व्हाट मोमेंट यू फेल्ट लाइक अब तो आगे ही बढ़ना है, अब कुछ कर नहीं सकती मैं, दैट्स द ओनली ऑप्शन. टेल मी द टू सिचुएशंस दैट यू हैव बीन थ्रू एंड how from how many years, how many months were you waiting for this day?
Pageantry के बारे में, when we talk about it, a lot of the people only focus on the finale or the crowning or the homecoming or the aftermath of the winning. But what they don't see is the years and years of training and preparation for pageantry. It starts from the mindset shift. पहले तो mindset बनाना पड़ता है कि I am capable of doing this. I have this potential. To realize that self-aware होना is the first step. वहाँ से be it your walk, be it your talk, your etiquette, your personality, everything has to be crafted upon. Everything has to be honed. And I feel behind the spotlight is every girl making deliberate, disciplined choices. I wouldn't call them sacrifices as such, but you have to make certain choices in life that keeps you in track, that doesn't distract you or shift your focus from what you were really looking forward to. And for all three of us, we are very similar, very ambitious people. And हम तीनों का सपना बस Femina Miss India था. I don't think any of us were interested in any other pageant.
Oh my
It
God.
was very clear for us that we wanted to come to Femina Miss India, and all of us wanted to go to World. But we are happy that one of us gets to go to World.
That's so
and
sweet.
yeah.
That's really sweet. Coming to you.
I think more than preparation, it's just about feeling more confident and being just every day taking every day one at a time, like where you just focus on doing better than yesterday. I think you can't. Perfection is a myth. You can't reach perfection, but वही है कि you need to be willing to mold yourself and be a better version of yourself. So like she said rightly कि a lot of thought, a lot of preparation goes into it, but that doesn't mean that हम अपनी पूरी personality को change करते हैं या फिर mold करते हैं into a certain prototype. It's more to do with हम जैसे हैं, we equip ourselves with more skills and we're just more open to learning
just
और
be
ज़्यादा
true
चीज़ें.
yourself.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah.
So you asked us how many years did it take for you to
Yeah.
reach here? Well, when I talk about myself solely, I've been wanting to do this all my life till now.
Oh.
So every step, every stage, every opportunity I've had, I've made sure that I grab it and squeeze every drop out of it, and I make sure that it aligns with the larger goal, which for me was Femina Miss India. And I'm somebody who's always looking forward to express myself creatively, be it through the medium of art, dance, acting, and through these mediums, I've had an opportunity to be a part of numerous stages, be it for dance, for sports, or even for pageantry. Only and only to learn and understand through every platform what it takes to have India across your heart.
Oh my
So
God.
I have tried my best to leave no stone unturned, and the journey has been intentional, with putting a lot of thought into this, putting a lot of effort, and I don't think any girl just randomly registers. बहुत मेहनत जाती है. And I really, really hope that people are able to recognize that kind of an effort.
Exactly.
And we're so, so grateful to be here today.
Exactly, and let's just put it in one phrase that keep this manifestation strong.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. आपकी फैमिलीज भी आई मीन मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रही थी कि आप तीनों कितने अलग अलग डाइवर्स इतने बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं somebody is has performed 600 stage dances and 7 languages at one go and so much sacrifices that one is a diva and one is doctor. I mean, how did you end up in this profession? Like, I want to know कि क्या आपकी फैमिली ने आपको पहले से सपोर्ट किया था या आप खुद के लिए लड़े थे और did this like how it did like have you reached here?
Ever since I was a kid, my parents were very open to opportunities. उनको पता था कि they realized the potential I had in me, so
Yeah.
they've encouraged me to participate in every avenue as much as possible. उन्होंने मुझे बहुत push किया है that I learn as many extracurriculars as possible, even from schooling. So that kind of helped me widen my scope and look beyond what is usually conventional. But when it came to this particular industry, मेरे पापा आर्मी से है तो आपको पता ही है कैसे
Exactly.
आर्मी फादर्स हैं.
Like, there is
He is
like
very
same.
overprotective, obsessed with me. I'm sure you realize
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I totally agree.
So they were a little hesitant at first, but when they saw the drive in me, how passionate I was about it, they grew incredibly supportive of me. And अब तो वही मेरे biggest cheerleaders
That's
है.
so sweet.
And I think it is my family's trust in me, especially my younger brother. मुझसे छोटा है पर बातें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी करता है. तो unanimously they trust in me and the leap of faith they've had in me, you know, to let me pursue medicine, to let me open an NGO, to let me perform throughout my life
Yeah.
in dancing and other crafts. And after all this, you know, in an age when usually girls get asked कि अच्छा अब बेटी की शादी कब है, but even at such times my parents pushing me to focus on my career and now them encouraging me to be a part of this pageant, from accompanying me to auditions to, you know, being there every single step of the way. They are my biggest strength right
That's
now,
so
and I
sweet.
can't be happier about
That
it.
is so sweet. Okay, what about your family? Like, was there any arguments initially, or they were like, okay, go for it?
My family stance on this was quite clear. उन्होंने बोला कि बेटा हम तुम्हें पढ़ा रहे लिखा रहे, जितना हमारी बेस्ट एबिलिटी में हो रहा है उतना कर रहे हैं, and then after that we trust in you to take the right call. And they had a very you know, you reap what you sow kind of an approach. So they were like हम कुछ मना नहीं करेंगे, but initially obviously उतना support I did not feel. But जैसे ही I gave them a call after the results, I saw a different sense of pride in their eyes. And I think that's going to be one of my core memories forever.
Wow.
So I have to thank this platform, Femina Miss India, for making that happen for me. Because you know it's very difficult to please Indian parents.
For sure, for sure.
They keep expecting
And it's
more.
not a myth.
Yeah. So I think this was such a great platform for me, and I'm truly very very grateful कि मुझे करने को मिला and
That's so
मुझे
true.
इतना प्यार मिला है.
Yeah, that's so you like. It's truly a grateful moment when your parents support each other.
Yeah.
What about you, Raj? What was the scenario in your case?
I've been blessed to say the least, touchwood. My family, my parental support that I've had. The reason I sit here today in front of you is because of the kind of backing and the system I have behind me. My parents, my brother, my family that I mean, are my biggest cheerleaders in my journey.
That's so sweet.
Biggest cheerleaders. I don't think there's ever been a single moment where I've had to convince them or ask for permission of whether I should go and do this. It's always been like, you go what you want to do. We are standing here right beside you as you achieve your
Wow.
dreams. And I think for me, mentally, that is such a huge support that I know that I have this safety net, this system right my biggest support system backing me up, that I know that I'm going to win over the world because I have them by my side.
Wow.
So I've turned out to be very lucky in that case. In fact, my parents push me more towards my dreams. If there is a moment of a doubt, my mother is the first one to snap me out of it. Ki, get up. This is
Wow.
only the beginning. You have to do so much more. And I think to have that kind of an influence in my life is something that is continuously pushes me. And I think a message to everybody listening, if you know some parents are listening, and if your child really wants to pursue something, बस अगर आप उनका सपोर्ट बन के खड़े रहोगे तो वो दुनिया जीत के आ जाएंगे, इतना मैं आपको कह सकती हूँ.
That's
Because for a
right.
child there's nothing more important than that support. And when your parents or your family or even your loved ones or your friends are your biggest cheerleaders, you know that you can win over the world.
That's so true. That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you all want to try Bollywood next? Like, what's your plan next? Debut? कुछ
We are open
so-
to the opportunities. वैसे I'm open to anything which includes creativity and craft. I'm a very expressive person. I've been dancing my whole life. So it is only natural that I have an inclination towards acting. So I'm excited to see what's in store. कि और मुझे ये भी देखना है कि मुझ पे कितना potential है. I'll definitely give it my best. I'll prepare myself for the future opportunities. Let's see.
All right. Do you want to try in Bollywood? You both?
Right now, my focus is Miss World and the responsibility that comes with it.
That's huge.
But yeah, again, like she says, I don't say, never say never.
Never say
You know,
never. You never know.
you never know.
All right. What
For
about
me,
you?
I've always enjoyed being in front of the camera and behind the camera. I'm a mass media and communication
Yeah.
student, so I absolutely enjoy both sides of the world. But being in front of the camera is something that just makes me feel alive. I love being on a stage in front of an audience. You put me under a spotlight and I'm good. Like I'm ready for the world. It's that kind of a feeling for me. I come alive. I'm very passionate about expressing myself creatively through the medium of art, dance, acting. So I know that eventually that is definitely a path that I would love to navigate. And before that, I would love to hone my skills, work on the craft of acting. Acting doesn't come easy. I think you
Exactly.
really have to put in the effort and learn more about the craft and how you can emote better. So that is my focus at the moment. And once I feel like I am ready, then
All
definitely.
right. All right. Okay. Give me one Bollywood actor you are currently manifesting to work with.
Shah Rukh
If-
Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. But I
One
mean,
and
to be
only.
able to share screen with him, I think is a blessing.
Okay. Yeah, he's a king for sure. For a reason. What about you?
I have an answer, but I would like to ask you, who do you think I'd look good with on screen?
I think Karthik.
Karthik. Interesting.
I
Okay.
don't know because it's my favorite.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but I think you guys will look good.
You guys, chalo.
Tell me, what like आपका भी कुछ होगा ना कि if opportunity comes, I would like to explore. And
Yeah, I
have a
had
screen space.
Siddharth Malhotra in my mind, but
I mean, yeah.
I'm open to exploring. Like, I
Okay.
mean, it's only an honor to
Of
be
course.
working with these people.
Of
So,
course, Siddharth Malhotra
yeah,
as
on a
well.
not so light note. Please don't take it.
All right, what about you, Advaita?
I don't think we are in a position to choose actors at this point.
It's just a
But
hypothetical
if at
question.
all I had to work with someone, I love Ranveer Singh, and I'm also a huge fan of Farhan Akhtar
Oh my god.
and Fahad Fasil from Malayalam industry.
Okay.
So they are my top choices.
Okay, good one. Good one, girl. All right. Three of you all give me quick quality of yours जो आपको लगता है कि वो सिर्फ आपको स्पेशल बनाती है और शायद किसी और में वो खूबी आप नहीं देखते हो. The one quality that you think that it's only made up of because it's in me, only in me.
I feel when we talk about presence, and बस मेरे पे नहीं, सबका उनका एक presence होता है. It is very, you can copy anything, you can imitate anyone, anything can be, converted into prototypes. But what you cannot copy is the presence and charisma that they carry. I feel it is very individualistic, and I hope I carry a presence of my own, and I charm people in my own way.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
I think it's my ability to, stay calm in the face of any kind of inconvenience, be it big or small, and also my like spontaneity that has helped me learn a lot of things, set me on really cool journeys. So yeah, those are the two distinctive features.
Calmness is the strongest.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you?
I think for me, my strength is my mindset. To be able to look at the world through a fiercely optimistic mindset. कोई भी situation हो, I try to look at it from a positive lens, and I try to find beauty in the tiniest of things possible. And I think that kind of approach always allows you to enjoy life on a broader lens.
That can change the perspective.
100%.
Thank you. That was a great answer. Okay. Do you all believe in astrology?
Yeah.
Up to a
kind of.
certain
Yeah.
extent, yes.
Yeah. Like, I want to ask you, like, before coming onto the stage of Femina Miss India, आपने कभी हाथ दिखाया था ज्योतिष को कि क्या
नहीं।
होगा बताइए टाइप्स.
मैंने दिखाया तो है, बस ऐसे ही.
Okay.
But I've had people come home and read hands and palms, ज्योतिष जो बोलते हैं. But I don't think anyone has ever guessed or predicted that I would be a Femina Miss India girl.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
No one said that?
No one. They've predicted that I'd become a doctor though.
Oh.
All of them told me I would become a doctor.
Oh my
So that was
God.
right, but no one predicted about Miss India.
That's crazy. All right. Any previous Miss India idol or any actress you really admire?
Manasa Varanasi is a beautiful, beautiful example when we talk about Miss India. But again, the OG Priyanka Chopra. for
Lara
me
Datta,
is-
Sushmita
Oh, yes.
Sen.
The entire batch, I think
OGs.
Sushmita Sen, ma'am, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. I think these are all women that we look up to, and the reason that every girl in the country dreams of becoming a Miss India. I think the kind of legacy that they've led through, the kind of history that they've created, and somewhere down the line, we're proud that in one way or another we get to take that forward.
Oh my God.
In terms of actresses, I'm a very big fan of Katrina Kaif. Like I admire her so much, and I don't think there's any rationality behind it. I mean, she has so many endearing qualities.
And she never changed.
Yeah.
She never
And she's
changed.
so wise.
Yeah.
And she's a fellow Cancerian. We're like one day apart in terms of birthday. So I'm
Okay.
15 July, she's 16 July. And since I was like, watching movies, वगैरह,
Yeah.
so I have always just looked up to her.
That's
And I was like,
cute.
I want to look like her, be like her when I was quite young. And then I grew into my
I think
own,
you
of course.
Kinda look alike. Kinda, if I'm safe.
My God. What is it? Today is my lucky day.
What do you have to say about your actress that you admire?
I love Priyanka Chopra, especially in movies like Sky is Pink, wherever, I mean, her merit, her acting is something else.
Yeah, she chose
And
very
yeah.
choosy and very typical.
Yeah, she's very specific
Scripts.
about the movies and stories that she
and the
chooses.
stories,
Yeah.
Agreed.
And I also love Alia Bhatt, her roles in Gangubai and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alia Bhatt is also cute. All right. So before we go with instant segment, I'm going to quickly ask you the last question about that. Any insecurity of yours that you have, or a fear that you have overcome from like 2-3 years ago, or any recent?
I think when you are entering a field like pageantry, external validation is something that is a huge part of a field like this, and there could be moments when you question yourself, am I enough? Or will I ever be enough? Or am I enough? But I think throughout this journey there comes a moment in every girl's life where you realize that you are enough. You do not have to change yourself or fit into a mold to be liked by someone. Eventually, even the organization, or we talk about the world as a spectrum, always enjoys people who value their individuality, who are authentic in their way of putting themselves forward, and who are unafraid to be themselves,
Yeah.
who are unapologetically themselves. And I think somewhere down the line, I've realized that that is going to be your truest strength. Ki no matter which area or which field you get into, I know that I have to be my most unapologetic version, and I shouldn't question myself or will I be enough, because you are enough.
That is true. That is true. Okay, what about you?
For me, it's got to be not feeling very confident in my own body. And I had a very different lifestyle before, which made me feel a little underconfident. And not to say that I changed it to feel better, but trust me, like when you get into fitness, and I had like this whole journey of losing 10 kilos. And you know what? Like, I feel better than ever. I feel more confident. I feel more energetic as well. So I think that's something that I've overcome per se. And throughout this time, like even at my lowest weight, right? Like I never felt like it was enough. But somehow, like for a lot of people, they say that entering the showbiz does, bring up insecurities. For me, it was quite the opposite. I admired the way I looked on camera. I admired the way I, put myself out there, and it made me
Yeah.
feel more and more confident. So I
Exactly.
think that's, yeah, you just have to own it sometimes.
Yes,
Yeah.
you have to fall in love with yourself first, and then you have to think about the world.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the fear that you have overcome lately?
I wouldn't call it a fear, but a habit that I've overcome, especially very recently in life, is being overly critical of myself. I'm someone who overthinks a lot, and I do not judge others, but I'm extremely judgmental of myself. I used to be extremely harsh to myself.
Really?
Being an overachiever, I've always strived for rigid excellence कि मुझे इसमें perfect होना ही है. So that was extremely draining and exhausting for me. And I think I'm really working towards finding a balance, and I hope I'm in a much better position now.
Wow, exactly. You
Yeah.
are in a much better position now. But I mean, I'm glad that you have overcome that insecurity of your habit. But I'm touch wood, may you all grow and grow. But
Thank
before
you.
that, let me start with the segment. Let's go instant with the divas in front of me. One thing that's coming in your mind instantly. You have to be very quick.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Food.
Pani puri.
Pani puri. I was going to. Pani puri. Thinking. Okay. Instant reaction or word that when you give. Okay. Instant reaction or word to give when you want to end the argument.
To
Okay.
each their own.
I'll just say okay and leave.
To each their own.
They're on.
I just leave.
Okay.
Just leave.
Okay. Peace.
Peace out. Bye.
That's great. Instant DM you got from right now that melted your heart in a way.
So many. So
DM.
many.
Yeah.
A lot of them
From
actually.
any famous one.
Can't really reveal names.
Yeah.
We've been very grateful though.
Yeah.
Because just
Okay.
the kind of love we've been receiving from every end of the industry, and just in general, it's been overwhelming in the most
Okay.
beautiful way.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Then maybe you might be getting some offers. Okay. Instant regret you had this week?
None. None for
None.
me.
No, not really. But I just felt I should have slept more when I had the
I
time.
was just about to say that. Oh my god.
Instead, we
scrolling
were
was my
yapping away.
instant regret.
Oh my god.
I was just like, क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? Every 5 minutes.
Yeah, because it's new and exciting.
Yeah.
Oh god. I'm sure you're gonna sleep today. Very nicely. Okay, instant hack for your hair that you do.
Don't be lazy and wash your hair.
Uh,
That is the only hack I'll say.
Okay, that was good.
I think just throw your hair in front like twice and thrice, and then have that like, ooh, I just woke up like this.
Okay,
kind of a moment.
volume.
Yeah.
I got it.
And
And
I think for me, whenever I'm having a bad hair day, just put up a messy bun and
I do that.
and walk out. Like, it's just That's my hairstyle for today.
That's my answer for the day. Okay. Instant change you want to make about India?
It's a big
How it's perceived.
To its own. Okay.
The-
Such a Miss India question I've asked.
Yeah.
I feel it might sound too geeky, but I feel I'd love to speed up the legal process in India. That is one thing I've always had in my mind.
But I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
One change, I think, to be able to make quality education more accessible.
Okay, that was a great one too. When was the instant love offer you rejected?
Instant love offer.
No instant
Rejected.
offer, no distant offer.
You know
no
what I
offer.
Who's
feel?
getting these
People-
offers, yeah?
No, you know what I
First of all.
think? People get so intimidated by us, no one even approaches us.
Oh, because must be thinking, bro, this is
Yeah.
out of my league.
No, I've been told I look very unapproachable. I'm not. I'm
Yeah,
not.
we are the sweetest people,
Yeah.
but people think we are very arrogant.
Yeah, and some like because I have heard a lot, like from my friends as well, that some people don't even approach us because our face is very straight,
Yeah.
but their straight face is very bitchy.
Yeah, yeah,
come to my
yeah. I've been told so too.
Okay, instant song that plays in your head when you're hyped.
Ye ishq
For me, it's always Desi Girl.
Yeah.
So-
Too much Priyanka fan. Yours?
I think I've been listening to a lot of fashion songs actually,
Yeah.
songs from fashion. I don't know why. Just
Jalwa.
yeah, like
Fashion.
I don't know. I've never been that inclined, but throughout this journey, मैं वही सुन
Yeah.
रही थी. I don't know what I was channeling, but yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, lastly, instant actors that come in your mind when I say what a man.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
She didn't take a second. That's called instant thing. Okay. Good one. Good one.
I'm sure that's the answer for most of the girls. So.
I think Ranveer Singh.
You stole
Come
my
on, it has
answer.
to be.
Ranveer Singh for me too.
Ranveer Singh. Okay. What a voice.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Mm. Good one.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I think Saif.
Okay. What a dancer.
Hrithik
Ishan-
Roshan. Come
Ishan
on.
Khatter.
Come on, Ishan Khatter. Okay.
Ritik or Shahid. Either one of them.
दोनों बहुत killers
हाँ.
हैं. What a beauty.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif.
Yeah, I mean, now that you've taken her
I
name
think you
so
should
many.
name it a
For
piece,
me,
yeah.
it'll always be Sushmita Sen.
Oh, I thought you were gonna name
Beauty.
Priyanka. too.
Yeah, Priyanka is as well. Oh my god. No, I'm
She's
on the
keeping
spot.
tabs on you.
All of them.
Yeah,
I'm
all of
huge.
them.
I'm a
Okay.
huge fan.
All right. What a way to carry herself.
Rekha ji.
Good one. Now you're catching up.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love Diya Mirza as well. So,
Yeah. Strong personality.
yeah.
I think Rekha ji as well.
Rekha ji as
yeah,
well.
that's the first thought I had actually.
All right. Want to steal her wardrobe.
Kriti Sanon. I've said this in so many interviews.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Has to be.
Blake Lively.
Okay.
I've been using that
That's
name a
okay.
lot.
I know.
Okay. Lastly, wants to steal her PR game.
Alia Bhatt.
I think I'm good without a PR. Smart
Come
enough.
on. You have to have one PR.
I'm a diva myself. Miss India is my
That's
PR.
a classy
What
answer,
more do
bro.
I need to ask for?
Okay.
I think Priyanka and Nick both actually.
Yeah.
Nick's PR, like
He's
especially
the
with
social media
the
manager.
Indian
Desi
Jiju.
wood.
Yeah, that.
Crazy ones. And the reels is top notch.
Top notch,
Crazy.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
all the very best. Girls, and thank you so much. You look very pretty and
Thank
may
you.
grow, as I said. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, I'm Raj Nandini Pawar and you are watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hi everyone, I'm Sadhvi Sair and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hello, I'm Shri Adwaita and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.